Hey members, it's Gil. So what I did here, you probably saw the video, or I chitted these, ate each of the cantaloupe I got from a friend of ours, and 8 of the cucumber. So this is what it looks like. Those are the cantaloupe. These are the cucumbers. This one here has not sprouted, but the others have. So I'm going to go ahead and be putting them into these 3-inch tall pots, and I'll be getting those going. And so, yep, let me get things set up and I'll get it going here. Alright, so I've prepped these cups, little pots here, and I got them ready. I got some potting mix with the vermiculite in it and some other stuff ready here to go on top. So I'm going to go ahead and put the seeds in here, and then I'm going to add that on top of it, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, so I got them all done here. The green tray is cucumber, the red tray is cantaloupe, and I put a couple more seeds in here to see if I can get a 1/8 one of the cucumber to chit and plant. All right, so they're sitting here on the heating pad, still on the timer, and so we'll see how they go. Once they're done, I'm making a space over there for an indoor garden experiment area for them to be able to grow for the next 3 weeks or so before it's warm enough to put them outside. Catch you around, and thank you for being members.